Welcome. In front of me is an HONOR X7b, and today I will show you how you can hard reset this device through recovery mode. Now, with that being said, performing this I believe allows you to get rid of a screen lock if you have one set that you don't know, but it probably will mean that the device is going to become FRP locked, meaning that when your reset is finished and you're going through the setup process, you will be forced to verify either the screen lock or the previously logged in Google account. Now for me that won't happen just because I don't have any kind of Google account signed in, and I don't think it's going to just lock it with a pattern. But in any case, to get started, all we need to do is hold our power button, select power off, and when the device turns off, hold your power button and volume up at the same time. After a moment, you will see the HONOR logo show up on your screen, at which point you want to let go of the power button but keep holding volume up till it disappears again. After a moment, we will have a recovery mode. There we go. It will show up, and from here select clear data and factory reset. As a confirmation, you need to type in yes and then select factory reset. This will now begin factory resetting your device. This page, at least here, will take only a couple of seconds. I think it gets like 20-30%, something like that, and then it automatically becomes finished, at which point we can then select back, restart, and this will now continue resetting the device in the background. Now this portion here will take a bit longer to finish up, and once it's completed, we will be presented with Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible for me. And as you can see, the process is now finished, and you can set up your device however you like. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.